Hello, Sweathearts. Welcome to tutorial for Mambo number 5 by Bega. Let's get started. We're going to start with a real simple little Charleston step. So we're going to start with the right foot. We're going to step right, front, left, back, and back. Arms are opposite shin, they swing side to side, ta, ta. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we take a little chassé, right, back, step, left, ta, ta, 5, 6, 7, 8. It repeats 3 times, and it's going to get a little bit more and more jazzy as we get started. Let's see it facing the front. 3 times through. We start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Arms push and pull. 5, 6, 7. Again. Little more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Right. Ta, ta, left. Ta, ta, right. And left. 3rd time. Now we add a little hop here. Ta, 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 hop, hop, hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, time for the chorus. We're going to take the right foot across. We're going to go heel, toe, and then we're going to go to the right. We go hips, 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 hips. Arms are 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up, down. So as those arms hit, hip is with the arms. Ta, ta, ta. But we're going to travel it. Pa, 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 ta, ta, ta. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. Facing the front. Chorus. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Then we have this little high energy break. The foot goes front, back, back, front, back, in, out, in, out, in. Front, back, back, in, out, in, out, in. Now the arms are down, down. So if the right foot's going forward, the right hand is going down. Ta, 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 in, out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Now on that 8 and, you're going to flip that foot and to start on the other side. And then we're going to do a little hop on this. Ta, 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 pa, 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 ah, ta, 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 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Let's see that facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Good. Then we take a little mambo step to the side. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. The feet go back and back. And we're having little trumpet hands. Trumpet and trumpet. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trumpet and trumpet. Now, the hip is going away from where you're coming from. So if you're going to the left, hip goes away. To the right, pa, 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 pa. Let's see that facing the front. We just did our second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3. Trumpet, ta, 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 ta. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We hold accent and accent, and you're going to hear that in the music. Good. It repeats again from the top. Let's see that facing the front. Let's start with that Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chassé. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right into the chorus. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and down. Up. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 6, 7. Here comes that bridge. Down. Down. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and mambo, and mambo. It goes trumpet and trumpet again. Ta, 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 trumpet and trumpet. Ta, 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 trumpet and trumpet. Ta, 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 trumpet and trumpet. You're gonna hear the accent again. Pa, pa. Good to repeat it one more time with the chorus, one more time with that fast bridge, ta, 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 ta. And we're gonna finish last with that side step and the trumpet and pose. That's choreography. Let's dance it.